Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can basically do an image search on Google. So make sure you download the app first. So this is like Google, like the app. I'm not sure if you can do it on the website, but you can basically just select the camera to image search. You can either search with your camera or access photos from your gallery, but make sure you select allow access first, Then you're just going to select the image that you're looking for, and it basically search the image using Google Lens. It searches like similar images, and as you can see there's stuff that's similar, like this Disney Dreamlight Valley one. And yeah, that is basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye! Kenapa nggak lu aja, Di?